add of multiplication as well as multiplication table, we already know when you are dealing with the tables, speed and accuracy is very important. Now I charge up your mind to try new ways and in turn sharpen your brain. So we are going to practice some Vedic maths tricks for easy multiplication. What is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques or sutra to solve mathematical problem in an easy and faster way. Let's go to some example. The first example is 8 multiplied by 9. We know what is the answer for 8 multiplied by 9 if you know multiplication table. But some children, if that is if we asking this 8, what is 8 minus 9, maybe they need a little bit time for telling answer or memorizing what is the table of 9 and revising, he will reach the conclusion of 8 minus 8 multiplied by 9. Here I am going to give you in another way of finding the answer of 8 multiplied by 9. For that we have to go through some steps. The first step we have to do here is we have to make the base as 10. What is the meaning of this one? Base as 10. For that I will tell you, we already know we have 10 fingers, and first you have to take the first hand is 10 fingers. Out of these 10 fingers, if you take all these 8 fingers, how many fingers remaining? 2. That means we are going to make base is 10. So 8 is 2 less than 10. So we can write 8 to 2. Then if we are taking 9 fingers, this is 9 fingers, and how many remaining? For 10, 1 is less than, that is 9 is 1 less than 10. This is the first step. We have to find how many number is less for making this 10. That is we are going to make 10. 8 and 2 make 10, 9 and 1 make 10. We are going to make the base as 10. Then in the second step, what we are going to do is we are going to do some cross subtraction. Cross subtraction means we have to take 8 and this one and subtract. That is 8 minus 1, and we know 8 minus 1 is 7, and the same way we are going to do 9 minus 2. Cross subtraction. We know 9 minus 2 is 7. Now in the third step, what we are going to do is we are taking these two numbers, this 2 less and 1 less, that is negative 2 and negative 1. We are going to multiply both. It is negative 2 multiplied by negative 1. We will get a positive 2. Then the last step, what we are finalizing the answer. That is, first we did that is cross subtraction. While cross subtraction, we get 7 as the answer. That will be the first digit of the answer. And the third step, that is this step, we find multiplying these deficiencies, you will get 2. So you will get 72 as the answer. Now goes to another example. 6 multiplied by 7. It is something a little bit different from the first example. I will explain how to find 6 multiplied by 7 in an easy way. The first step is same. We are going to make base as 10. That is, first you have to take that is for making 10. That is 6 is 4 less than 10. 6 is 4 less than 10. Then 7 is 3 less. 3 less. So we have to write 6 to 4, 7 to 3. The next step is we have to cross subtract. Cross subtract 6 minus 3 is 3, and the same way 7 minus 4 is 3. This is our first digit. Then the next step what we are going to do is we are going to multiply. This is negative 4 and negative 3. You will get positive 12. But here little bit change is there. We already just by using our common sense we can say that if you multiply two single digit number, the answer will be either single digit or two digit number. So we have to adjust that. That is, we are going to do this way. That is 6 multiplied by 7 means first you have to write how many number is less for 10. That is 4 less here, then 3 less here, then cross subtract. You will get the answer as 3. That is the first number. Then the next multiplying time you will get 12. So we want to write this number only, but this number, what we want to do, we have to add up with this number. It is 3 plus 1, you will get it 4. So our answer is 42. Again I repeat, first you have to write base as 10, then you have to write 6 and which number make it 10, that is 6 plus 4. So 4 is less here, then 7, 3 less, that means 7 minus 7, 3. Then cross subtract, that is cross subtract 6 minus 3 you will get 3, 7 minus 4 you will get 3, and then this was the first digit. Okay, then you have to multiply these two, that is 4 multiplied by 3 you will get 12, negative 3 multiplied by negative 4 you will get it 12. But you have to think that this one 12, it is 2-digit number, so we have to carry over this one, so that we have to add up with this 3. So you will get 42 as the answer. Please try so many questions so that the calculation will be very faster and easier. That is, we already know when you practice more in our subject maths. We already know when you practice more question, that much faster you can do the calculation. I will show you. I will give. Let's do some more question. The first question is 3 multiplied by 9. If you want to do this, first you have to think 3 and which number make 10. Or if you take your 10 fingers and fold 3, you will get the remaining number as 7. That means 3 is 7 less than 10. So we can write 3 to 7. Now the next number 9. 9 is 1 less than 10. We want to find the first digit. For that, the first thing we have to do is subtract, cross subtract. That is 3 minus 1 is 2, or 9 minus 7 also 2. So the first digit is 2. For finding the second digit, you have to multiply this. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. So the answer is 27. Now goes to the next question. 8 multiplied by 4. If you want to do, first you have to take 8. We know 8 is 2 less than 10. Then 4 is 6 less than 10. Now you have to cross subtract for finding the first digit. 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 2 is also 2. So the first digit will be 2. For finding the second digit, you have to multiply these two. So you will get a 6 2s are, that is minus 2 multiplied by minus 6, you will get a 12. We know if you get this type of question, what you want to if you get this type of answer, we want to write only a 2-digit number. For that, the first thing we want to do is have to carry over this one and add with this 2. So we will get a 3 and the next number 2. So the answer is 32. Some questions. Try these all questions and send me message. Okay, and the remaining video, the next video, I am going to explaining how to multiply a 2-digit by 2-digit in an easier way through Vedic maths, magic maths tricks. Thank you for watching.